government of Meghalaya has finalized preparations for a large-scale mock drill across the state aimed at enhancing public awareness and readiness in the event of an aerial attack. Organized by the Civil Defence and Home Guards Department, the drill seeks to educate both residents and government personnel on standard safety protocols during such emergencies. Officials stated that this exercise comes in the wake of the Indian Army's recent Operation Sindoor, a strategic military operation targeting terrorist hideouts in Pakistan and the Pakistan-occupied regions of Jammu and Kashmir. These areas have long been considered operational hubs for launching attacks against India. Speaking to the media, Joint Director of Civil Defence and Home Guards, M.K. Sangma, confirmed that the mock drill will begin at 4 p.m. with a series of alert mechanisms taking place later in the evening. At 6:30 p.m., a siren will be sounded to simulate an incoming air raid, followed by a 2-minute blackout in key urban areas including Shillong, Jowai and Tura. This blackout will be implemented by the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, which has expressed its limitations in extending the blackout beyond these cities. Sangma also revealed that siren systems have been installed in 7 out of the state's 12 districts. The remaining 5 districts are still in the process of being classified and equipped for such alerts. The drill sequence will include 3 major alert signals: a 2-minute siren at 6:28 p.m. warning of an imminent air raid, a blackout at 6:30 p.m. lasting for 2 minutes, and a final 1-minute siren at 6:32 p.m. indicating an all-clear status. Residents have been urged to switch off inverters and remain indoors during this period for their safety. Multiple agencies will be involved in the operation. The Indian Air Force will monitor the simulated threat and report directly to the Regional Civil Defence Control Centre, which will then relay alerts to the District Civil Defence Control Centres. These centres will coordinate with local authorities and wardens stationed in Shillong, Jowai and Tura. The Fire Emergency Services Department is on standby to respond to any fire-related incidents, while the State Disaster Response Force and Quick Response Teams of the Civil Defence will be mobilized in case of injuries or evacuations. Officials emphasized that this is the first phase of the mock drill. A second, more extensive phase is planned, which will see coordinated participation from the police, fire services, the PWD and medical units. Authorities have appealed to the public to remain calm, follow instructions closely, and treat the mock drill as a vital step toward ensuring collective safety in the event of real emergencies.
The information from Air Force and then Regional Civil Defence Control Centre, this emanating the informations to the districts, and then the other exercise by SDRF, Fire Service, Quick Response Team, and Warden Service. So it will start from 4 o'clock, but it will end at 6, more exactly maybe 6:33. 6:30, 6:28, there will be a sounding of siren, 2 minutes, fluctuation, that's an warning, and then 6:30, MECL will shut down. Okay, there are many substations where siren may not reach, so that is why they have their time, we cannot adjust. 6:30 they have given instruction today, so it will be shut down at 6:30. Then after 6:30 another warning will be, siren will be blown. It's called all clear sound, okay, siren sound. So after that the whole mock drill will be concluded. All, of course, at home they have to switch off, but in the vehicle, otherwise again the traffic movement will be disturbed. If somebody stop the car, and then you know Shillong, we have a traffic problem everywhere, so that will not be disturbed.
What about those solar light that installed in different parts?
We have already given the instructions, inverters and all. We have requested to switch off, and we request all the citizens actually to cooperate with us and with this drill. You know what happened. India has already struck the terror camps this morning. So it depends now. God knows, it should not escalate. They used to tell us that those days they used to dig the trains, they used to give training how to dig the trains and how to hide when the bomb is dropped, what they are supposed to do. All this training was given. The second phase is coming. We will be giving training to the citizens, to the school students, to everybody in the later stage on how to dig the trains and how to cover themselves. But like we are doing it in a very short time. Actually, we receive the information also, just day before at night only, and then we had a series of meeting yesterday, and we have to do the planning. So we could not look into all this now. But training will be coming later on in the second phase. A fire incident in the districts. So a fire service will respond in all the districts. Apart from that, we have a quick response team of civil defense and home guards in the districts, mobilized by the deputy controller. So they will do minor rescue work once they receive the information from warden service, from the wardens in the locality, because in each locality we have a warden, we have a sector warden, we have a post warden, the division warden. So accordingly, once they receive the information about the incidents in their locality, the deputy controller, the district civil defense control center, they will be activated, and once they receive the information about the incident, they will activate the SDRF and they will activate the quick response team, and then they will respond. And the warden service, until the SDRF or the fire service or the quick response teams arrive, they will keep on doing the rescue work until they arrive. They will do the rescue operations on the surface casualties, because they are not trained to go inside the building, collapse structures. So they will not do that, but they will try to rescue the surface casualties wherever the casualties are there, in the open air or maybe near the verandas. They will try to take them out and then put them in the safer areas. So these are the few things that we'll be doing in this mock drill. Then at 6, like I said, 6:30, we'll have the sounding of siren and then blackout exercise.